In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your W-2 on TurboTax for the year 2025. Whether you're gearing up for tax season or just wanting to get a head start on organizing your paperwork, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, making it simple and stress-free. To get started, head over to the TurboTax official website. It's important that you go to the right site to ensure that your data is safe and handled correctly. Once there, you'll want to locate and click on the Sign In option. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the page and will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the TurboTax homepage. This is your central hub where all your tax information is stored. Here, you'll want to look for the section that says 2024 Taxes. Clicking on this will guide you to your current tax documents and related data. Next, navigate to the Federal section. This portion contains all the federal tax-related components of your filing. From here, find and click on Wages and Income. This area of TurboTax is specifically designed to handle all income forms, including your W-2. Now comes the part where you locate your W-2. In the Wages and Income section, you'll see an option labeled Job W-2. Click on it. This is where TurboTax stores a record of your employment income and is crucial for accurate tax filing. Once you've clicked on Job W-2, you'll see a button to add Edit. Selecting this option allows you to enter new information about your W-2 or make edits to existing records. This step is particularly important if you have more than one W-2 or if there have been changes since your last update. Finally, after adding or editing your details, click on your W-2 summary. This feature provides a comprehensive overview of all your W-2 forms in one location, ensuring that you have everything in order for your tax submission. Reviewing this summary can help catch any discrepancies or missing information before you file with the IRS. And there you have it. Finding your W-2 on TurboTax 2025 is straightforward when you know where to go. By following these steps, you can ensure that all your employment income information is correctly entered, minimizing stress and potential errors during tax season. If you have any further questions or encounter any issues, TurboTax offers support to guide you through the process. Thanks for watching and happy filing.